Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss about a very important topic, which is highlighted in these days, and it was a large topic, debatable topic, and there are so many debates taking place. And the topic is all about banning Chinese app and boycotting Chinese products. Uh, we can start from beginning that how these debates take place and what is the reason behind all these activities. Yeah, there was a call to boycott Chinese made goods erupted across India after 20 soldiers died for the country in a violent face off with Chinese troops in Ladakh's Galwan Valley. And the protesters have also demanded to revenge and severing trade ties. According to reports by news agencies like ANI and PTIs, people are burning Chinese flag, Chinese made product, and effigies of President Xi Jinping. But a question occurs in my mind and in the mind of so many people that in this backdrop, if India can even afford to boycott Chinese product at this stage, given the market share that Chinese made good already hold, here we can analyze the data from key sectors and try to determine if India can afford to substitute Chinese product with local alternatives, and if so, how difficult will it prove to be in long run. So we have made so many case studies about these things, and this study suggests that even though an individual form of boycotting country might be hit hard, the overall effect on this export sector is negligible, rendering the punishment effect as mostly ineffective. The timing of any such move by India is also questionable, because this is a time where the economy has decreases, the GDP growth has decreases, and people are becoming unemployment at higher rate because most of the companies have shut down due to this lockdown period. And I have so many data of these products that can India boycott Chinese product or not. First of all, we will start from smartphone industry. You can see on the screen that the market size of smartphone industry in India of China is about 2 lakh crores, and the share of Chinese product is all about 72%, and the possibility of substitution is very difficult because Chinese brands dominate every price segment and are way ahead in manufacturing low rated goods. Now we come across telecom equipments. The market size of telecom equipments of China and India is all about 12,000 crore. It is a huge amount, and the share of Chinese product is about 25%. The possibility of substitution is doable. Yeah, we can afford, but it is costly because telcos could see a 10 to 15% rise in gear procurement cost and loss. Now we will go ahead. The market size of auto components. The market size of auto components is 43.1 lakh crores, and share of Chinese product is all about 26%. And the possibility of substitution is really tough. Although China accounts for around a quarter of supplies, alternative domestically or global will hard to find. And internet apps, the market size of internet app in India of China is all about 45 crores. There are 45 crores smartphone user in India, and the share of Chinese product is all about 66%. You cannot be able to think of how the number has increased using these Chinese products. And if we talk about steel industry, the market size is all about 108.5 million ton, and the share of Chinese product is all about 80 to 20%, and possibility of substitution is viable, affordable, but it is quite tough. Finding similarly priced alternative to some product lies, but may not be easy. And if we talk about pharma industry, the market size is all about 1.5 lakh crores, and the share of Chinese product is about 30 to 35%, and the possibility of substitution is really tough because most of the pharma agencies are funded by China. A boycott of Chinese goods won't work to our advantages because take apart from any product today, whether it is a car, a phone or an aircraft, and you will find hundreds of components from several different countries including China. Labeling product clearly as Chinese would therefore be almost impossible. And we can also talk about so many things in my next video, and I have provided all this data because it is quite difficult to afford the boycotting Chinese product, because if we are getting all our necessary things in cheap rate, so why we will give our money to purchase same product at high rate? Because the Indian companies and the domestic company of India does not provide a sufficient price. If a person of upper class or middle class family can buy these products, but think about the lower class or a poor people, how they can afford all these things at this pandemic time of COVID-19, we can say. People are surviving for getting food. They are not able to procure their livelihood, and now our country is ready to boycott Chinese product. In India, most of the people depend on Chinese product because they are cheap and easy to use. So this is my humble request to all the citizens of our country that you have to take the decision. Boycotting Chinese product is quite good, and it is like patriotism, following patriotism, but we have to live in this country and we have to enjoy all our livelihood, but we have to keep in mind that we are surviving now because there are no jobs, and the government servant also not getting their complete salary. Only the rich people and the high profile families are living, and all other families are just surviving. So just think of it, and I think Modi ji have to think of all these things, think of poor people. He is doing quite good things to poor people, providing foods, but it is not sufficient. See the condition of poor people. They are not even getting their house. They are surviving on roads, and the fear of corona has stuck in their mind, and they are not even coming out from their homes for doing job. How they will get the money? How they will earn? And if they will not earn, they will die, because there is no source of income is provided by government, and they are just increasing all these things. You can see that the rates of petrol, diesel are increasing, the rates of goods are increasing. Then how a middle class family or a poor people can afford all these things? So thank you so much Other things I will tell you in next video. So keep watching it, like and share this video if you like. Okay, thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.